Hey everyone, Garmin has long been recognized for its innovative and functional wearable technology, and the Lily 2 Active is a striking addition to its smartwatch lineup. This latest offering seamlessly blends style with functionality, making it a compelling choice for those who prioritize both aesthetics and wellness. The Lily 2 Active impresses with its chic appearance, featuring a comfortable silicone band and a discreet, concealed touchscreen display. It appeals to fashion-conscious users. The choice of gold and silver metal cases adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for various occasions, from workouts to social events. Despite its petite dimension, the watch doesn't skimp on features, proving that good things come in small packages. Beyond its stylish appearance, the Lily 2 Active excels in fitness and wellness tracking. With a remarkable 9-day battery life, users can rely on it for extended periods without frequent charging. The integrated GPS enhances activity tracking, ensuring accuracy during outdoor workouts. The watch goes beyond basic metrics, monitoring stress levels, energy fluctuations, and sleep quality, even breaking down specific sleep stages and breathing patterns. New sports applications, including features for popular games like pickleball and tennis, highlight Garmin's commitment to providing versatile fitness options. The addition of on-screen workouts for yoga and strength training makes it easier than ever for users to engage in varied exercise routines. The Lily 2 Active keeps users connected with features like contactless payments and smartphone notifications. Quick access to the Garmin Connect app enhances the overall experience, allowing for seamless data tracking and integration. The watch also prioritizes user safety with incident detection and assistance features, enabling users to share their location with emergency contacts, a reassuring addition for those who engage in solo activities. Priced at $299, the Lily 2 Active positions itself as an attractive option for consumers seeking a fashionable yet functional smartwatch. It caters to a demographic that values wellness and connectivity without sacrificing style. Garmin has also unveiled the Enduro 3 GPS watch, targeting endurance athletes with its extensive 320-hour battery life and rugged features. While the Enduro 3 is developed for a different audience, the Lily 2 Active offers a more accessible approach for everyday users who want a stylish companion for their health and fitness journey. In summary, the Garmin Lily 2 Active is a stylish, wellness-focused smartwatch that effectively merges functionality with fashion. Its comprehensive tracking capabilities, sleek appearance, and emphasis on user safety make it a standout choice for individuals looking to enhance their active lifestyles. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone simply looking to stay connected, the Lily 2 Active offers a well-rounded package that meets a variety of needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.